Hello, I'm here with another tip video to show you how you can use the emojis and icons in your keyboard as a sticker for your digital planner. So I'm really excited to show you this because I think it's a really useful tip. So all you have to do is go to your planner where you want to insert the sticker, tap on your text box icon, and then tap anywhere on the page, and then tap on that emoji icon at the bottom. And then you see all of these are stickers that you could add to your digital planner. So let's say that I wanted to add a emoji face. So you can see it's then come on there, but it's not the right size. So all you have to do is just use the lasso icon, make sure that text box is selected on, and then draw around that, tap in it, and then resize that like a normal sticker, and then you can rotate it as well. So once again, you can just tap on that. You can select the sticker and then using the lasso tool, resize it. You can also copy and paste it to duplicate the sticker. Yeah, so I hope that's been useful, and thank you for watching.